for this video, I'm getting my hair cut, basically from long hair to what I have now. So first things first, she's going to section out all the hair to see what she's working with, and then she uses this really awesome technique where it's just a razor blade and she goes with the direction of your hair, so when it's styled it lays more flat than using just scissors. So she's basically going to do this all around the sides and back of my head, so the hair lays flat, lays even, and goes the direction I want when I want to style it. Ooh boy, we're taking off a lot of hair right here, which is good though, because we're gonna have the top hair basically lay even with the sides of my head. That way it's just a nice symmetrical kind of haircut. This information: before this cut, my hair was about 14 inches in the front and roughly 5 to 6 on the sides. It was just too long, so we decided to cut it down a little shorter. The technique she's using, where she's using her thumb at the ends of my hair, is just a texturizing technique. It gives my hair a good amount of texture when it's styled. And here she's just cleaning up around my ears. And on the back, she's just going to make it nice and tidy. That way it all flows with one direction and it doesn't look all crazy. Basically what this haircut is just a lot of making things even. There's not any crazy undercuts, there's no drastic kind of disconnects. It's just an all evenly flowing classic haircut, and that's what I wanted. And for the styling, she used a texturizing boost powder thing. It was really cool actually, and then I finished it off, you can't see it, with chapter styling cream. If you guys want, I'll have it all linked in the description for you, and you can go to the website and check everything out. I will also have a discount code down there, so if you want a chapter product, you can get it cheaper. And that's basically it, you guys. It's a nice classic hairstyle, nice and messy, casual, not too crazy, but if I want it to be nice and defined, I can also do that as well.
Someone film me turning a chair. I know, honestly.